Is this the best controller? Let's find out. Thanks to the streaming directly feature, you can now directly access Apple Music from the XDJ-AZ. So, you can load tracks and playlists straight from the streaming service. With automatic BPM and grid analysis, the on-screen waveforms for each track enable intuitive and precise beat matching, helping you to craft smooth and dynamic DJ sets. Access your cloud-based record box library directly from the XDJ-AZ with Cloud directly. You can use the latest version of your playlists and performance data, such as hot queue information, and even update it from the unit. This not only ensures a seamless DJ experience, but also allows you to do all your preparation solely from your all-in-one system. With support for Beatport streaming, the streaming directly feature enables you to directly play tracks from Beatport's vast dance music library and the latest genre-specific playlists. You'll even get analysis data such as waveform, BPM, and grid information so you can easily mix new and diverse music into your sets. The XDJ has extensive device compatibility. The XDJ-AZ features a 10.1 touchscreen that displays up to 13 tracks, making browsing and control faster. It includes advanced tools like Playlist Bank, Touch Preview, and Touch Queue for quick track selection and smoother performance, plus simultaneous display of performance pad and beat FX settings. The XDJ-AZ's 4-deck support lets you mix, mash up, and prep tracks freely, with seamless CGG integration and Pro DJ Link for synced beat and on-air info. With the built-in Sonic Link transmitter, the XDJ-AZ pairs instantly with HGG F10 headphones for ultra-low latency wireless monitoring. AlphaTheta's proprietary tech transmits audio 20x faster than standard Bluetooth SBC, letting you move freely without cables and hear sound with virtually no delay, perfect for real-time mixing and scratching. The XDJ has crystal clear audio and a 3-band master EQ. With the dedicated button for the mixer settings, you can quickly check and adjust the mixer status on screen. Changes to crossfader curves, channel fader curves, and other settings that were previously controlled by buttons or applications on the actual device can now be made on the display. These other features are also on offer. Serato DJ Pro 3 USB ports, a record box link export, 8 backlit performance pads, gate queue, and so easy to carry. An absolutely incredible audio every time. Click the link for a full review.